What do you plan on using your book for specifically, and how has it been going so far? What has the response been like?
The response has been amazing. There's so many people out there, and you know this, that need help. There's not a lot of information out there. People don't know where to look for it, and it's, our goal with it is to help families before the crisis starts. So we've been giving the book out to as many families as we can, knowing that this will help them put some answer, make them go through those tough questions that you have to ask, and put some policies for the family in place and a timeline in place. It's been received so well. I mean, we get thanked all the time for this. Like, thank you so much for putting this information out there, because when I was going through this with my mother, we couldn't find the information. We didn't know what to do. Thank you so much for doing this. And then we're working with some of the assisted living facilities and putting together some virtual workshops that will be, actually the first one's October 1st. I don't know if you saw the date change on that. That's for 3 of the assisted livings that are right around here, helping. Again, we can't do them in person right now because of COVID, so they'll be virtual, but we're going to have a huge audience on that